Okay. Now, this is example 7 under probability. Okay? Now, please, if you are following me, please always try to like, always try to comment, and always try to share for other people to benefit. Thank you. Now, the table below gives the marks of a group of boys in a science test. So we have the table, the number of the marks, and the frequency. We have mark 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the frequency, we have 4, 3, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5. Now, if a boy is chosen at random from the group, what is the probability that he scored 7 marks, not 7 marks, at least 8 marks? Then the last question is less than the median mark. So what we do, we are starting with solution. Let x be the what the total number, be the total number of the boys in a science test. Okay, so the cardinality of that is going to be, let's add them together. We have 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 and plus 5. So what do we have? 4 plus 3, that is 14. That 4 plus 3, that is 7. Plus another 7, that is 14. 14 plus 8, that is 22. 22 plus 7, that is 29. 29 plus 6, that is 35. 35 plus 5, that is 40. So the number of the boys in that group is what? Is 40. Okay? Now the question says, find the probability that he scored 7 marks. So you can tell that let your legs maybe A, maybe the what? We have the 7 marks. 7 marks. So the cardinality of 7 marks now, that is the number of the students that score 7 marks. Let's look at it. 7 marks. And what the corresponding value of 7 marks is what? Is 8. This 7 marks, and the corresponding value of 7 marks is what? Is 8. So we have it as 8. The probability of a boy scoring what? Is 7 marks is going to be n of A over what? N of x. And what is n of A? Which is 8. And what is n of s? Which is what? The total number of the boys in that group, which is 40. So something can do. Here is what is 1, and here is what is 5. So we have it as 1 over what? 1 over 5. Then number 2, B, not 7 marks. Not 7 marks. So in that case, not 7 marks. Not 7 marks. So B, it said let's maybe A prime or A complement be what? Not 7 marks. So the cardinality of A prime or A complement is going to be A complement or A prime or A complement is going to be what? Not 7 marks. Let's just go to those ones with not 7 marks. So not 7 marks we have, what is it? Not 7 marks, we are going to have 5, 6, 5. 5, 6, 5. Yes, sorry, 7, 6, 5. Not 7 marks. We have 7, 6, 5. 7 plus 6 plus 5. Let's add them together. This plus this. What do we have? What do we have? This is 13. Then 30 plus 5. That is what? 18. So you have it as 18, not 7 marks. Okay? Not 7 marks. Okay, sorry. Not 7 marks supposed to be P of what? Of A complement, then we have a probability of 7 marks. No, my 1 minus probability of 7 marks. So we have 1 minus. Now, what is the probability of 7 marks? We have it to be what? 1 over what? 1 over 5. So when you find this one, you are going to have 4 over 5. So that is the probability of non-7 marks. Okay? That is non-7 marks. Then the next one is what? At least 8 marks. At least 8 marks. So you can say let's maybe B at least 8 at least 8 marks. At least 8 marks. Now let's go. What is 8? This is 8, Abi. At least 8 marks. So from 8, the corresponding value of 8 is what? Is 7. So you are going to add 7 plus 6 plus 5. That is from 7 above, which is 7 plus 6 plus 5. And what is that? This is 13, then plus 5. We have what? We have 18. Okay? Now, what is the probability of that? We are going to have N of B to be equal to 18. Then the probability will give you B equal to what? N of B. Then we have what? N of X. N of X. We have 18 divided by what? Divided by 40. So something can go. 2 here will be what? Will be 9. And 2 here will be what? Will be 20. Is there anything again? Nothing can go. Then the last one is what? Less than the median mass. Less than the median mass. So how do we calculate that? Less than the median mass. You can say B, let's C be what? Less than the median mass. Less than the median mass. So you need to know the median mass. So how do we go about that? In this case, I will advise you to add your cumulative frequency of psi less than the median mass. So let's say we have CF less than the median mass. We have 4. This plus this will give you 7. This plus this will give you what? 14. This plus this 14 plus 8 will give you 22. We have 22. 22, this one will give you 20 what? 29. So 29, this one will give you 20 what? 35. Then 5 plus this one will give you 40. Okay? Now, what is the median mass formula? The median is what? Is N plus 1 over 2. That is, when N less than what? Less than 50, we do what? We have this kind of formula. While N greater than 50, then we have what? N over what? We have N divided by what? Divided by 2. As this one. When N greater than 50, we have this. But when N, that is the total number of the frequency, is less than 50, we have N plus 1 divided by 2. So what is our N? Our N is 40. Then plus 1, then divided by 2. So this one gives you 41 over 2. And what do we have? We have 20.5. Now let's look at the position of this 20.5. The position of this 20.5. Yes, 20.5 first here. This is 20.5. 20.5. Are you getting it? So the position of this 20.5 was it. And the question says less than what? Less than the median man. And this is the median man. Just count this one up, down. 1, 2, 3. That is 4. Less than the median man is going to be. We have 4 plus 3. Then plus 7. Which will give you n of C equals to 14. Then the probability of this P of C equal to what? N of C over what? N of X. So we have 14 over 40. And what can go? 2 here will give you 7, and 2 here will give you 20. So that is how to solve the problem on the board. Please always like, always follow, and always share. Thank you.